Hi family, hope you guys are doing well. So I have prepared the video for question answers based on your request, and let's see the full video to find the answers of your question. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay connected. So first question is from Vandana. Rocky is from which city? He is from capital of India, Delhi. Second question is from Vandana again. How many times he goes for a walk? He takes walks twice a day, one in the morning, one in the evening. Now time for a third question. From where Rocky is purchased? Asked by Bruno and Dora. So here is the answer to the third question. He was taken in 2015 from neighbor and they didn't charge anything to us. So it's time for the fourth question that is asked by Rasika Irpachi. And what do we do when he got upset? Well, that's a difficult question. We have to do a lot in order to cheer his mood up. But he plays with Didi most frequently. And we also give him toys and his favorite food to him to cheer him up. And he likes it and then he get back to normal.
अभी कुछ नहीं धरा है.
So let's move to sixth question very quickly. Sixth question asked by Sheetal Soni, and that is Rocky हमारे पास कब से है? So answer to this question is he is with us from January 2015 and we are taking care of him from the time he was born and still caring for him with lots of joy and fun. So now let's move to our next question asked by Shamit. How old Rocky is? Rocky कितने साल का है? So he was taken in 2015 and this is 2021. He is 6 years old and his birth date is January 14, 2015. So time for next question asked by Jyoti Prakash Nanda, that what is the situation of fight between Lalu and Rocky and what is the situation of street dogs around us. So here goes the answer. They are not ready to sort the differences and keep on fighting, so we keep Rocky away from Lalu. However, about the street dog situation, they are good. They are getting feed on daily basis and they are getting food on proper time and are in good situation right now. So time for our next question by Majestic Gaming. Who is Rocky's favorite and who kept his name?
Okay, so the answer to this question is, as we all have seen the videos, his favorite in the house is Didi, and she is the only one who named him Rocky.
Also, she is Rocky's favorite because she do not leave him alone and Rocky also do not leave her alone. They are each other's best friend. Sometimes they are brother and sister, sometimes they are like mother and son. So their love is purely true and his favorite is his Didi only. So time for next few questions. This is the most asked question. What does Rocky eat? So I have already uploaded the video of Rocky's diet but would like to answer this question. He loves to eat chicken and sometimes tahi and sometimes he loves dog food which includes pedigree chunks and this is his favorite food. Next question asked by Anushka Sharma, that Rocky is an Indian Labrador or American. So here goes the answer. He is Indian, however the breed is from English. There are two types of Labrador. One is American, other one is English, and he is English Labrador. So let's move to our last question that is asked Who he loves more in the family? Write down in the sequence. So the answer to question is very simple. He loves more the sister, then comes the father, after that mother, brother, new baby, sister-in-law, and in the last me. Because I'm kind of busy in his video making and everything. He loves me more, but he come to me at the last when he do not get any answer from anyone. So he's attached to everyone, and when sister is not in place, then he comes to me to get issue resolved. So hoping that I have answered all of your question. If forgot someone's question, then please forgive me, and stay connected with our channel, stay connected with Rocky, stay connected with us, stay home, wear masks, stay safe, take care.